Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create a short video in Instagram. So in Instagram, if you want to create or make a short video, you can do for two options, for either reels or your story. So you can just click on the plus icon, or you can just swipe right your phone like this and then record a video, for example for your story, just like this. And then when you're done, you can click on your stories to share it with your friends or Instagram in your Instagram story. So but if you want to create a short video for real, you can just click on the reels option here and do the exact steps to record the video. Okay, and if you want to create a video for your post, you can also do that, just like this. Okay, it's so easy, and I think you can start it right away. Okay, so that is how you can make your own short video in Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.